Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open Command Prompt as administrator and confirm the target drive letter. Once done, run a quick read-only check with chkdsk to get status and errors listed. This step lets you see if the volume is dirty or has bad sectors without making changes. Make sure system files aren't in use. If scanning C, you'll be offered a reboot scan. You'll use the results to choose between a repair or a deeper sector recovery. Now perform the actual repair. Run chkdsk /F to fix file system errors. Add /R to locate bad sectors and attempt recovery. You might be prompted to schedule the scan at next reboot for system volumes. Accept that and reboot. If you suspect corrupted system files, run sfc/scano after chkdsk finishes to verify and restore protected files. Disk part can help if the drive is unmounted. List the disk, select it, then attempt online or attributes clear if necessary. Finish by verifying results. Open Event Viewer or examine the chkdsk log to confirm errors were fixed and note remaining bad sectors. If important files are missing, stop writing to the drive and use file recovery tools or a system restore point to recover data. Make sure to run a smart check with a manufacturer tool. Repeated chkdsk failures usually indicate physical drive failure, and you should clone the disk before further use. If cloning fails, replace the drive and restore from backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.